Remind you that you will be continuing with your testimony under the same oath that was administered to you the other day. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. When we adjourned the examination of the witness by the counsels for the parties were finished, and we will now proceed with the interjections of the senator judges this morning. And yesterday, we already indicated the sequence of the interjections and questions from the senator judges. First to make his interjections will be Senator Raffy Tulfo. Sir, you are recognized. You have 2 minutes and you may proceed when you're ready.
Your Honor, may I be recognized first?
Yes, what is the pleasure of the Honorable Chua?
Your Honor, may we request the counsel for the prosecution, Attorney Kapunan, be recognized, Your Honor.
The counsel for the panel of prosecutors, Attorney Lorna Kapunan, the designated handling counsel for this witness, may situate herself also accordingly.
Thank you, Your Honor. Same appearance. Good
Sir.
morning.
Good morning, Attorney Lorna. Senator Tulfo, Raffy, you may proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes, sir. Honorable.
Kasi kahapon, nabanggit na si Attorney Chua, magaling na abogado siya, ay pumunta sa COA, tama, para makipag-usap tungkol doon sa sinasabing audit query. Now, hindi mo ba conflict of interest yun para siya ay mag-represent dito ngayon sa natin, pinag-uusapang confidential funds when in fact, siya mismo pumunta doon sa COA office para makipag-usap sa kanila. What do you think, Mr. Presiding Officer?
This case, Senator Judge Tulfo is the Honorable Vice President, Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Attorney Poa, although he served under the office of the Vice President, I believe, and even under DepEd, is not a named respondent to this case. And in fact, is one of the lawyers, as you can see, of the respondent. I believe there is no conflict with respect to that, given that he is not the one in trial in this case.
Okay, I rest my case. Ano pa ba ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan na in-audit nyo ang kanilang confidential funds?
Based on the GAA po, may mga other agencies na may allotment for confidential po.
Kaya meron kayong mga na-audit.
Yes po, Your Honor.
At dito sa mga ahensyang audit ninyo, magkapareho bang utilization nila ng confidential funds sa OBP, DepEd under BP Sara, and those agencies na in-audit?